students. Hope you all are well and safe at home. As today's date is 1st July 2020 and day is Wednesday. We are going to start new chapter number 5. Highest common factor and lowest common multiple. Highest common factor means HCF. Here you have to write this, do this work in good handwriting in your fair notebook. You will write these full forms also, like HCF is equals to highest common factor, and HCF is also known as GCD. GCD means greatest common divisor. Clear? Next, LCM. LCM means least common multiple. Okay. Now exercise 5.1. First of all, we are going to find HCF. Here are two methods to find HCF. First is prime factorization method. Second is long division method. So first question is, find out HCF of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Here A part is 84 and 164. What you have to do, you have to first of all find the prime factors of 84. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. Now 164, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. 41 is prime number, so here 41 1s are 41. Clear? Take care, these numbers should be prime. ये जो numbers हैं यहाँ पे ये prime ही होने चाहिए. Factors of 84 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, and factors of 164 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 41. Common factor, you have to find the common factor, means जो दोनों में common आ रहा हो. Here 2 is common, here 2 is common. So common factors is equals to 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. So HCF of 84 and 164 is equals to 4. Okay. Now B part is 384, 432 and 1200. Now you have to find the prime factors of these all the three numbers, और आप अलग अलग prime factor निकालोगे. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, then 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, then 2 4s are 8, one will left here, 2 8s are 16, then 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Here 432, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, then 2 1s are 2, 0 here, 2 8s are 16. अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि ये कैसे हुआ है, तो व्हाट यू कैन डू, यहाँ पे आप 216 को मीन्स 216 को 2 से डिवाइड कर लो. 2 1s are 2, हेयर 0 विल लेफ्ट, तो आप 1 लिखोगे यहाँ पे. 1 कैन नॉट बी डिवाइड बाई 2, तो यहाँ पर 6 दोबारा लिखोगे. 2 डिजिट्स एक साथ लिख रहे हो तो आप यहाँ पे 0 लगाओगे. 2 8s are 16, तो क्या आया यहाँ पे 108. तो 108 यू विल राइट हेयर. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now here is 1200. 2 6s are 12, then 0 0, 2 3s are 6, then 0 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, here you will write 0, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, then 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. 2 से नहीं हुआ है 75 डिविजिबल, प्रॉपरली डिविजिबल विदाउट लिविंग रिमाइंडर, तो हमने 3 से करके देखा है. नाउ 25 कैन नॉट बी डिविजिबल बाई 2, 3 और 4, तो अब हम 5 से करेंगे. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So you will write here factors of 384, factors of 432, factors of 1200 you will write here. Now you have to find the common factors कि इनमें से common कौन सा है. Here 2 is common, here 2 is common, here 2 is common, here also 2 is common, here 3 is common. The rest of the factors are different. What you will do, you will write here common factors 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So HCF of 384, 432 and 1200 is equals to 48. Clear? Now these both the parts you have to do in your fair notebook in good handwriting, including homework parts. C part, D part, E part and F part are for homework. You have to find find HCF of these parts by prime factorization method. Now come to the second question. गिवन बिलो आर सम नंबर्स गिवन एज प्राइम फैक्टर्स, यहाँ पे कुछ नंबर्स दे रखे हैं जो कि प्राइम फैक्टर्स की फॉर्म में हैं. यू हैव टू एनसर्कल द कॉमन फैक्टर्स एंड फाइंड द HCF ऑफ ईच. A part is 2 multiply by 8 multiply by 5 multiply by 2. Here 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 3 and multiply by 6. These are the prime factors of any two numbers. Now you have to find HCF. तो आप HCF कैसे निकालोगे? First of all you will encircle the common factors. Means here 2 is common, here 2 is common, here 2 is common, here 2 is common, here 5 is common. So common factors are 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So HCF is equals to 20. B part is, here are the prime factors of 3 digits, 1 2 3. So first of all what you will do, you will encircle the common factors. Means सब में common कौन सा आ रहा है? Here 2 is common, here 5 is common, here 2 is common and here 2 is common. So common factors are 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 22s are 40. So HCF is equals to 40. Here C part, D part, E part and F part are for homework. You have to do these parts in fair notebook in good handwriting. Thank you.